For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and we're running the new One UI Beta 8.5, and this is Beta 5, the 5th version in the series. So I just installed it, so this video is more or less really a reminder. Make sure you install it, and it's pretty simple. The way to do it, as always, is go to your settings, go down to software update, check for updates. Obviously it's not going to do anything because I have it, but let's go back and we're going to do software info. So I have, if your software doesn't end in ZZAN, you don't have the most current version. And that's not for the people that can't say Z as in zebra. They say Z as in zebra. I guess they call it a zebra. But anyway, it's ZZAN is the final version. Not the final version, but the Beta 5 for this. So from what I read and used it, the only real updates and differences are in Bixby. And I don't want to say that much again because it'll probably go into it, and we don't want to do that. I'll stop my recording. In fact, let me make sure it's still, yes it is. So here was the update when it came out. So using mobile data to update may not charge, So version ZZAN, that's the ending version. So bugs have been fixed, applied Bixby version update. So I haven't really messed much with it. I don't really use a whole lot of that. But I have noticed some bugs fixed, especially in smoothness. I don't know if it's just me or that it's just smoother now. Going from one screen to the next, not that it was ever lagging or jerky or whatever, but this is even better yet. So the version is One UI 8.5, version Android 16. The size was half of a gig, 547 meg. So again, it was all under the hood stuff. Nothing really big that I know of. Of course, they never really tell you all of the updates. They do at a link where it says learn more at. And when I clicked that, all it was primarily just security updates, but they did more than that. So, and then after you update that, it's always best to check your Google Play update. So that's not done right away. So go to security and privacy, and then we'll scroll down to updates, and Google Play system is what you want to update. And I think there was an update. Check for updates. There was an update for this, but I'm not sure why it says November 1st, other than that couldn't have been the November 1st version that I have, because I check that pretty often. So that's a glitch. So I did check the Google Play system update. There was an update. I updated it. It restarts your phone. Security update, that's the basic update that I was just talking to you about. It's also considered a security update, which we got with the actual Beta 5 update itself. So mainly just a reminder, grab that, hang in there with the betas. I think we'll be done shortly. There can't be that many more, if any. I'm sure they're getting ready for the Samsung S26, and they just want to iron out any problems. So, which I don't see any problems. Like I've said in the past with betas on Samsung, even Beta 1. Beta 1 I had no problems with. Beta 2, no problems with. I never have, knock on wood, I never have a problem with a beta on a Samsung device. I don't know if it's just me, my luck, or if it's just they're that good. Other manufacturers, I had many problems with betas and wished I'd never ever have installed them. So Samsung, my hat's off to you on the beta line. So anyway, I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.